I infinitive B-U-L-U-M. Then the next part is called the ampulla, A-M-P-U-L-L-A. That's where most fertilizations occur. And the real thin part, doesn't show it real good here, but the real thin part, you can kind of see it a little better. So the ampulla right here, and it gets thin right here, so this is the isthmus, I-S-T-H-M-U-S. As an isthmus of Panama, it's real thin. And most of the fertilization occurs in the ampulla right here. All right. So notice right here, you have the uterine tube right here, okay? What's number 4 on the list?
Fimbrium.
What?
Fimbrium.
Okay, that's the fimbrium. You can see what they are, the little red things here, little finger-like things. Catches the ovum as it's being released. It's number 5.
Ovary.
Ovary, okay. See it right here, ovary. Here and here. And number 6, this is the order, broad ligament, sorry. Broad ligament, this is actually cut. Broad ligament kind of covers the whole area and attaches to the back of the body wall. And it's not, it's just cut. That's cut there. Is that? There we go. This will show it. It's not attached because the uterus is not attached to it. There's another model that shows it better. It shows up on that one, but this shows up on this one better.
So is this?
It's the paper about something. Yeah.
Yeah, I think they're the same though.
Broad ligament is all this tissue down here that holds in the body wall right here. See that? All that. That's why it's called broad. It's just a sheet. Now the round ligament is just right here in the front. Right here holds at the front. That's what you see here and here. 15, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, but the broad ligament is just kind of what holds it in place right in here. It's just a sheet. Okay. Placenta is 8A and 8B. So 8A would be the chorion, right? We're going to call it the chorion, or the baby placenta. Now the rest of it, there's also a chorion that goes all the way around here, part of it too. But where the mother's, this will be called the decidua basalis right here. No, I'm sorry, right here. So this is the chorion right here, and this is the decidua basalis. Where it is not attached, or not involved in pregnancy at all, this is going to be called the decidua parietalis, number 14 over here. All this area right here, this all here would still be the decidua parietalis. Like it goes all the way around, all the parts not involved in pregnancy directly, where it doesn't form the placenta. That's still the functionalis, the stratum functionalis. Okay. But since it's pregnancy now, it's called the decidua parietalis. So again, this is going to be the decidua basalis, and this is going to be the chorion. Now number 9. What's number 9?
Umbilical.
Before, I don't know what that is, right? 9 right here. And what's 12? 12 is the amniotic membrane. Okay, it's inner membrane. Okay, 10. What's 10?
The embryos.
Embryos 10. Fetus actually, and then integument. I won't talk about that. The inner layer is the amnion, right? The other integumentary layer, the outer layer, number 11. This is called the fetal integument. This whole white layer is the fetal integument. Inner layer is going to be amnion right in here. Then the next layer is going to be the chorion. And then the next layer on the outside, a real thin layer in here, way out in here, that's going to be the decidua capsularis. Okay. So 3 layers outside, decidua capsularis, chorion middle layer, amniotic sac inner layer. And that's all. That's going to be all after birth. Everything's going to be after birth. Well, here, the parietalis will also be after birth. That's the one thing they don't really show is a small. They don't really show the stratum basalis, but so you have the perimetrium, outer layer, right? Perimetrium of the uterus, myometrium, and there should be another layer. They should actually have 2 layers in here. but the inner layer of this one is will be the stratum basalis that stays with the uterus. That forms a new functionalis in the next series of next cycle. Okay, make sense? All righty.